Yo, hello everyone. Are you interested in making money by promoting one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges? In this video, we will show you how to join the Binance affiliate program step by step, so you can start earning commissions today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, as always guys, I will show you first how to create your Binance account. So the first thing that we are going to do, launch our browser and then go to the URL section and search for Binance. So let's go here, Binance, and just like that we can open the first link in front of us. Here they will give us this page where we can either sign in or create an account. To sign in, you can sign up using like email or phone number, or either you can continue with Google or Apple account. We can sign up here, for example, using our email. Just put it here, then click on next, and then they will take you to a page where you have to put your name, full name, of course, date of birth, address, where do you live, and some details about you that they have to be 100% correct legally. And after that, to verify your account, you'll have to send them a picture of you and a picture or of your ID card or passport or driving license. So these three things are very important to have, one of them at least, so you can verify your ID and your account shall be created right after that. Now, for those who have like an entity, you can go here to sign up, just put your entity name and here choose what kind of entity do you have. They have multiple options. For example, government, foundations, co-ops, unions, associations, societies. Here as you can see segregated portfolio, protected sale, limited liability company, or partnership, or even trust. Now, these are the things that you might create a account with as an entity. So for now, you can create an account simply, for example, with Google. You can just skip all of this and go, for example, like that. Click on confirm, and your account will be created in no seconds. Click then on confirm once more, I mean, and account successfully created. Click on done. And now, as you might see, my account is not verified. So I will have to verify it. To verify the account, as I mentioned before, you will have personal information, government issued ID, and liveness check. So you can click here to continue. Here put your nationality, which is Morocco for me, legal name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and then you will keep up with the informations. So I told you all of that before in the beginning of this video. I shouldn't show you again. I just show you how it will be looking like in the process. Now I will just log into my account and be right back to you guys. So here I am in my account. This is how the dashboard is going to look like. Here are all the holdings that you have. You can go here to the main page where you can actually see all the news about the newest crypto prices, the most popular cryptocurrencies, and much more. You can even download the application of Binance in your mobile. But that's not what we are going to talk about in this video. In this video, we will talk specifically about how we can be in the affiliate program and how to join it. So all you have to do is open a new tab. Next thing is go to search Google or type our URL and search Binance affiliate program. Then click on the first link that will be appearing for you, or that it is all up to you. So here we go. And as you may see here, these are the steps that you have to go through to become an affiliate. First of all, sign up to become an affiliate. Create and share your affiliate link, and then you will be able to earn up to 50% commissions. How to do so? Click here to submit form. Wait a little bit. And this is the form that you'll have to fill in completely. Let's start with the language. Here choose English for me. What country are you based in? For me as well, I will have to put all the information correctly. Here the next thing, which is the name, email, here the phone number, how do we contact you through social media, of course. You can have here Telegram, WhatsApp, Line, Viber, Messenger, or WeChat, and there is much more. The username that they shall call you with. So, for example, they will not call you by your name. If you'd like them to call you by a username, you can put that username here as well. What country or region do you plan on marketing in? So, let's say that you are, for example, from the United States. Are you willing to market for the link in your United States or in another country? Here, what type of affiliate marketer are you? Spot affiliates, futures affiliates, or both? And for you to decide, you'll have to actually open an account in the affiliates futures on the futures account, which is by clicking on this link. So let's do that. And then click on open. That will be appearing on here. That's it. And you will have all the futures trading guide. Here, you'll have to choose your affiliate type, crypto influencer, institution, social influencer, or non-crypto institution or organization. Finally, here, give them a brief introduction about you and your organization or your community. Here, primary platform channel for promoting. Where are you going to promote exactly? On YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or else? And here, put URL of that platform. Of course, you'll have not to put, for example, if you are on YouTube, don't put youtube.com. Give them your channel. How many followers, members, users do you have on primary platform? For example, 1 million subscriber. Here's freeze for a screenshot of performance metrics on your platforms. So you'll have to take a screenshot of your platform metrics. Here, finally, what kind of content you create in platform, trading strategy, promotion, sponsorships, or other. And here, is there anything else that you would like to share with them? Finally, by submitting this application, I acknowledge to have read the agree to the Binance Affiliate Program standard terms and conditions. Let's do here yes, and then click on submit. Once you submit, you'll have to wait a while for a bit, so it's gonna be around 3 days to actually for them to verify your informations, and for a week to verify your account and give you your own link that you might share later on and actually start earning money using that link. Well, for those who doesn't know what is the affiliate program is, so you can just go back to the previous page and you will have bunch of informations about it. So you can go here and you will find a whole blog about it and how it works and how much money you are going to earn. So here are all the informations that you might need in the future days. So make sure to take a look in this blog. It will be really helpful for you. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.